Niki ngasi dress same. Ada kali? Hi ma'am purang pohamda from jari ma'am ai khoi ngasi se akhoi gi school da farewell gi program dai adugi chatkena thokle ado hojik se pung tara makhai khara hele bako adudo aise lambi dani hojik ado samandana aise mapan tholaga singa hak lepaga nusi charami ne ba adudo hojik chalagi ado hojik ai keno chalagi school da chalagi aduga jingmine work se ma'am aise school jaure ado ngang ma'am
ai mas pulang
Mọi người sầu có lôi là thèn đi thèn nhỉ. Cái gì mà nung sang nghe đó. Cái này cái sầu nghe decoration phải giờ lắm. Quay lại tập ham hả? Cả thà. Sức fan đi on tàu đấy đó. Sa số yam sai ngay xí xe. Mình đi on đi lâu rồi cái. Quay mẹ mỗi đi có sự phẩm gì hả?
हम लोग को मना किया है पता नहीं
किसने मना किया
मैंने मना किया है
क्यों
नहीं बुलाने के लिए
वो कहा क्यों जाएगा क्यों बुलाएगा बुलाने से भी नहीं जाऊंगी Sina कोई की एक्स क्लास 10 निको मोई की नि फेयरवेल तौरी से स्टे होरगा सी अखोई मी अमनी दि याउ रबा कनो अंगांग अमनी एक दो बच्चा
नहीं आया
कौन
नहीं आया है कौन क्या नाम था देवपुर
मैम स्माइल
look at the camera please
काफी उन्हें अखोई की एक्स स्टूडेंट्स भी हम फजरम में कोई ने उधर ना तो इधर खंगते program से हौदी हौदोरे दो तंग वाली को दो तंग लगा हौरगा मुझे ये चला गया मसन की फजरबा मिसना तगुब लबा मिसना हम तब पुथरो तगुब लबा मिस lagi tangang laba kano tangang laba maithong tanaw rabi khusat sila mobile sumeli
please come inside and to the teachers also please those who are outside please come inside thank you
program se
welcome to our respected headmistress, assistant headmistress, our dearest teachers, all my schoolmates, juniors and seniors. Most importantly, to the seniors for whom we have put up this farewell today. I'd like to call our headmistress to come ahead and present us with a prayer.
All of you, join your hands, close your eyes, and let's look to one breath.
Showers of blessing, this is the promise of love.
welcome somewhere with the space higher
And now the time is arrived that we will have to invite.
Thank you, brother, for this special speech. Now I would like to call out Abhinav of class 7 to give a speech. Followed by Sneha of class 9.
A farewell party of my seniors on behalf of my class. Today I want to speak at the farewell party of my seniors of the class 10th standard.
Yes, Ngahak from class 9. I'm here to deliver a short speech. First of all, welcome to you all. I would like to say special thanks to my seniors for all the support, love.
My dear lovely juniors, first of all I would like to thank present class 9 and 10 for this beautiful event. Secondly, but most importantly, I would like to thank my teachers for playing an important role in my life. With pride, I can say that the teachers are the ones who have made us so capable that today we are standing here. I would also like to share that it's been 13 years. I have been studying here since nursery. And within these 13 years, I have lots of memories, but the best memories I can share is our picnic and Teachers' Day celebration. These 13 years have been very special for me. Here I have also made a lot of trusted friends. I can never forget all those fightings, all those punishments. Though it was punishments, but it was all fun. So thank you.
Came here from class 5. That meant when I was came here, still class 5, I don't know anything also. Even ABC also I didn't know. Even thanks teacher for giving me good student. Especially for them. She's like my mother. She's always there me. She's always calling me. Thank you. That's all we should always.
Sarami, please come ahead and give us your speech.
Good morning, everyone. Present here, respected headmistress, assistant headmistress, and my colleagues and my dear beloved students. So today we have assembled here to celebrate the farewell ceremony of the class 10 batch 2022-2023. So now, first of all, there are lots of memory that we have shared inside the classroom and even outside the classroom also. But I would like to start with that there are two hardest things in life to say, to admit. The first thing is to say hello for the first time. It was very difficult for me to say hello when I meet you for the very first time. Now we are meeting for the very last time. Now it is very hard for me to say goodbye. So these are the very hardest moments in life. And moreover, now you are going to shape your career as you want to be. And you have to go for your own passion, the passion which you are holding inside your mind, inside your body. And these upcoming endeavors that you are going to hold, that you're going to implement. So I hope very best, okay, everything you do, okay, God will bless you, and whatever kind of work you are going to do, you will attain every success. So, and moreover, I want you to go through the hardship and the struggle also, because struggle and hardship will teach you the moral lesson. The moral lesson that the success cannot teach. So I hope that the hardship and the success will go in hand in hand. So with this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
It is the emotional day for you and us also. Because it's like service that is the hardest thing to say goodbye to somebody.
Memories that we have shared together. It may be inside the classroom, outside the classroom.
So I would like to call my headmistress.
I'd like to thank the students of class 9 and class 10 who have worked very hard from yesterday. I was really surprised. When I saw the 9, 10, especially the boys, they really work hard. I'm sure even after last year, we did not have these decorations. If we had, did you all do? Tell me, how are you students? No. I'm sure this year this was a bit different. Am I right? Even the sound system, the decoration. So anyway, I'm very proud of my class 9, class 10 students. That means as years go by, we are improving. So once again, I wish you all the best of luck for your future. Thank you. For her wonderful speech and creating a joyful moment for all of us, and for making us more inspired for our upcoming future. Now, I would like to call Uncle Rajkumar to give his speech.
Si ako yung uncle ni.
Good morning to all. I am very thankful to you all for going me. This time, yes, the ex-class 10 are going to. I wish you all the best in your life.
Hꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯠ ꯀꯠꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯣꯝꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯅꯦ
I told you that after the cake cutting you do it. That's why I haven't given you the boys' hand. So the girls say the gift for understanding.
Sigi border. Ma. Pero lu bisa. Nungsu tu deh mem, jangan. Sigi. Kau ni ngasih dress sem. Mama am tanya masa. Mana han kau yang?
Black the pambra, white
the pambra.
Sister Vidyashri to handle the gift to Sanare.
Mesti nak present tahu iko.
Followed by Sister Roshni to handle the gift to Sister Tapashri.
For this,
Cake cutting dah ulai dah.
you all
Hujik
have to
refreshment
maintain
tahu ni.
juniors.
Cake se kau hujik testing tahu body pangan ni ko. Nasai kan usai spray cai betul.
Class 10 boys, please maintain.
Samosa udah bagi cake. Si kuda nanti lain nak kuala kasar tu ini sih kan usai. Cake se. Mau refreshment ulai na. Maka tahu program hau tu le.
I'm requesting you all to please be silent. Class 10 students, please maintain.
Macam si group dance tahu ni bang. Last one ni dance ada kena mesti ex student single last group dance process eh. Do ay sa maning gitari ba? Maning deki masih kak oy na laura kaya mamang di ay pam re. Mo thabaloy na so ko mo group dance eh. Pati ka hapsa ram me meow. Sukuan na mo na i-rehearsal mo na ang saw le metu. Chotu chile. Kashan ka hai gre chotu kai gino ba? Atu dan le. Kasi. Hoy. Du dan sarang de si dan chari. Magit paring na chari ba lau khulau si loyo. Program lo re ho je. Ko chok le. Long chu ba loi na ho je kano so. Long sam kan chu ram me ko. Sa sa do le. Ko jum da hla ni. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ay ok pathok la e duga ay balloon su khoi binigi pu bini ni ko pira ko idum photo ka pam badage si se pura ni ado me am swai si ga igi video selo sel ne nong si su jam kana taw khre khona program taw nga ko on su jam olang ya ado sina khoi gi good day ni mai ming rak sikta kawi aduga moi su ai ok pathok le ado ai su si ga jawre ado nong chu hina loi na ko nong sa se mung sa dore ba jam sare aduna yum changringai da se sum ai gi video selo sen lage mayam bye.